Hey guys, this is Rachel from Cypress Textiles, and today we're going to be making the Darlene square from the 2016 VVCAL. I'm using Scheepjes Softfun denim and a size 4mm hook, and I just put a slip knot and I'm going to make a chain 3. Of course you can chain 4 or you can make a magic ring, whatever you prefer for your center ring. Then I'm going to make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the hook to close my ring. So now into the ring, I'm gonna make a beginning DC. So I don't chain up for a single crochet, but I'm just gonna go straight into the ring with a single crochet and a chain 1. And that's gonna be the first double crochet of the round. Now I'm gonna chain 3. Actually, it's chain 5. So go ahead and chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's gonna be our corner. And now we're gonna make 5 DC in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And that's going to be our repeat. So just chain 5 and move your stitches over so you can make your next 5 double crochet in the ring. And you're going to do this until you have 4 groups of 5 double crochet and 4 chain 5 spaces or chain 5 loops. All right, so far you're really going to have to scoot the stitches over to fit them all in. But so far I've got two chain 5 loops and 2 groups of 5 DC, and I'm just going to go ahead and make 2 more repeats. Okay, so this is how your round is going to look. So at the beginning, you're going to have to make 4 DC because your 5th DC of that group is the beginning DC that we made at the start. So when you look back on your round, you're going to have 20 DC and 4 chain 5 loops. And now I'm ready to join my round here. So you're going to join into the first chain of your round, which is just that chain of the beginning DC. And then that way your chain 5 is your corner. And to start the next round, you're going to make a slip stitch in the first 2 chains just to go ahead and get us up to the top of this chain 5 space. So just work straight into the chain and make your slip stitch into the first 2 chains here. Okay, so to continue with this round, into this chain space, you're going to make a double crochet. Beginning double crochet, so single and then chain 1, and that's the first DC of the round. Now chain 3, that's the corner chain space, and make 3 DC into that same chain space. All right, so I'll let you see how the corner is looking so far. Now we're going to chain 1, and then into these 5 doubles we're going to work some stitches. So make 1 double crochet in the first double, and then make 2 double crochet in the next one, and then 1 double in the next one. Okay, 2 doubles in the next stitch, and 1 in the last of the group. Okay, so it does look like it's really spread out, but that's because this is going to make a 3D petal when we're done. So for stepping back on it, you're having your 3 DC in the first space, then chain 1, double, 2 doubles, double, 2 doubles, double, and that's across those 5 double crochet there. Now you're at the chain space, and you're going to chain 1. And then you're going to make your corner 3 doubles, a chain 3, and 3 doubles. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, 3 double crochet. All right, and that's how your corner looks. And you're just going to go ahead, and we're into our repeat now. So now you're just going to work across these 5 doubles just like you did a second ago. And this is how your round's going to look. And it's going to look very, very wonky. But you can see if you make this into like a 3D shape and keep your corners where they go, that this is gonna pop out, and that's what we're gonna end up with when we're done. So don't worry whenever your round makes it all wavy. So just go ahead and go around 2 more repeats, and then I'll see you at the beginning. Okay, so my round is complete here, and you can see it's super wavy, but again, don't panic. These are gonna be popped up 3D like big petals. So once you're finished with your round, you're gonna see this is what it looks like. Don't forget to add in these chain 1 spaces before you work into your 5 DC group. Okay, so now we're at the beginning of the round, and I've just put 2 double crochet in the first corner to finish it. And now I'm going to join with a slip stitch into the beginning double crochet. So just go into the chain of that beginning DC and leave your 3 chains for your corner unworked. So now we're gonna go into the next round. Start with a slip stitch in the first chain, and then a beginning double crochet. So just go straight in with a single and a chain 1. That's the first DC of the round. And now we're going to chain 3, and that's gonna be our corner again. And into this chain space, we're just gonna work 2 double crochet for the corner. All right, so that's how our corner looks so far. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and then into this second DC here, make a double. Okay, double crochet in there. And now you're gonna chain 3, and then we're gonna make a big popcorn to seal off this petal here. Going to DC in all of these stitches. So just DC all the way across. And then instead of these being regular stitches, they're just gonna all be part of a popcorn. All right, so you've made double crochet in all of your stitches. You're just gonna release the loop from the hook, put it in the first double crochet, grab your loop, and pull it to the front. So now you've closed, it's like a big popcorn stitch, worked over these 3 rows here. All right, so now chain 3, and skip this chain and skip this double crochet here, and work a double into the next double. All right, now we're gonna chain 1, and into the corner chain space, you're gonna work 2 DC, chain 3, 2 DC. Okay, so I'll show you how that row looks when you're finished with it, and you can see that it makes the side so that it's not wavy anymore, that you've closed that popcorn. All right, so I'm at the beginning now, and I've made a DC in the first corner to complete it, since we've just got our beginning DC and our 2 DC from the beginning of the round. So put DC in the first corner to complete it, and then join into your beginning DC with a slip stitch into that chain. And now here's what your motif looks like so far. And you can see that it has like eyelets around the big petals. So for the next round, this next round is what's gonna really calm everything down. You're gonna go ahead and work double crochet the beginning DC into this chain space with single crochet, chain 1, and then another DC in the same chain space, chain 2, and 2 DC in the same chain space. All right, and now we're just gonna work DC in all the stitches and chains across. Work a DC into that chain 1 space and a DC into the DC. That's where we are right now. And then into this chain space, you're gonna make 3 doubles. All right, and now working into this popcorn, you can kind of see the loop at the top where the popcorn was closed. So working into that, you're gonna make straight into that space right there, this loop, you're gonna make a double crochet. So you're just gonna work kind of into the popcorn. And then 3 doubles in this chain 3 space, and work into all the remaining stitches and the chain 1 space till you get to that corner. Okay, and in the corner, you're just going to make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet. Okay, and that's how you're going to work all the way around. This is how the side is going to look. And I'll see you guys when I'm back at the beginning. Okay, so my round is done, and I went ahead and joined with the slip stitch into the beginning DC right here. And now my final round is just a single crochet round. So I'm gonna make single crochet in all of the stitches around, and then 3 singles in each corner chain space. All right, so this round is complete. I went ahead and joined with a slip stitch in the first single crochet of the round. And now you can see how it was very wavy before. It's still a little wavy, but once you join it up with the other squares, you won't be able to notice it at all. And that is the end of the Darlene square from the 2016 VVCAL. And I've been using Scheepjes Softfun denim with a size 4mm hook. If you enjoyed this video, just know every week I am posting these 2016 VVCAL squares on my YouTube and as well as Facebook and IGTV. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.